Tea Break Academy. Solve the equation, skip the frustration, maths in a mug, your tea break education. Highest common factor, HCF. Finding the largest common factor between numbers. Why we need to learn HCF. Have you ever wondered how to simplify numbers quickly or share things equally? For example, if you have 12 apples and 18 oranges, what is the largest number of groups you can make so that each group has the same number of apples and oranges? Today, we are going to learn about the highest common factor, or HCF, which helps us solve problems like this. Learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what HCF is. Find the HCF using different methods. Apply HCF to solve problems. So, what is HCF? The highest common factor, HCF, is the largest number that divides two or more numbers exactly. Why do we need to learn HCF? 1. To simplify fractions. Example. 12 over 18 divide both by HCF, 6, to become 2 over 3. 2. To share things equally. Example. Divide items into equal groups with no leftovers. If you have 12 apples and 18 oranges, what is the maximum number of groups you can make so that each group has the same amount? 3. To solve real-life problems. We used HCF in grouping items, arranging objects, planning and organizing. 4. To help in other maths topics. HCF is useful in fractions, ratios, algebra. Key teaching points. HCF means largest common factor. Factors are numbers that divide exactly. We look for common factors first, then choose the largest. Can be found using in listing factors or prime factorization. Steps to find the highest common factor, HCF. Method 1. Listing factors. Example. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. Step 1. List factors. The factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Step 2. Find common factors. The common factors of 12 and 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Step 3. Choose the largest. The HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Method 2. Prime factorization. Example. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. Step 1. Prime factorization. 24 equal to 2 cubed times 3. 36 equal to 2 squared times 3 squared. Step 2. Take common factors with smallest powers. The common factors of 24 and 36 include the prime numbers 2 and 3. The smallest powers they both share are 2 squared and 3. Step 3. Multiply. The HCF of 24 and 36 equal to 2 squared times 3 equal to 12. Guided practice. Try together. Find the HCF of 20 and 30. 20 equal to 2 squared times 5. 30 equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Common factors is 2 and 5, the HCF is 10. Independent practice. Pause the video and try. 1. HCF of 8 and 12. 2. HCF of 15 and 25. 3. HCF of 18 and 27. 4. HCF of 16 and 24. Have you finished? Let's check the answers. Answers. Question 1. HCF is 4. Question 2. HCF is 5. Question 3. HCF is 9. Question 4. HCF is 8. Have you got this all right? Well done! Key reminder for HCF. HCF is the largest number that divides both numbers. Always look for common factors. Choose the biggest one. Mug empty, problem solved. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to join the Academy. Share the knowledge and keep watching the next Maths Explained to stay ahead. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep your tea hot and your brain sharp. See you soon.